Hi there, this is Fei Wu and you're watching the Face World channel. If this is your first time, welcome. On this channel, I create tips and tools for independent creators to celebrate and live their creative and financial freedom. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy and improve your reach and benefit from this amazing tool in just minutes. So right now, after you upload your video, you still have access to a lot of the basics within YouTube. So fill in the title, the description, and as you scroll down, you're going to see all the TubeBuddy tools. And the most important thing, as you know, is to add appropriate tags. That tool is called Keyword Explorer. Once you click on Keyword Explorer, simply search for something that you think are relevant and specific enough for your video. For this one, I call it How to Get Started with TubeBuddy. Now you're able to see a score. There's weighted, unweighted, and telling me, generally speaking, if these keywords are relevant or not. And to the right-hand side, these are the most used tags, and you want to pick only the ones you feel as relevant. And as you're clicking and checking these, make sure you also go down the list to see some of the longer tail or long tail tags that will benefit your video, as well as the popular ones at the very top. So once you have selected that, what you can do is click on Insert. That's going to use the title of your video as well as all the tags you just selected right into your view right here. So I have done the exercise ahead of time, and this is the list I came up with. Now, what you can do further is to be able to sort them. In order to do that, you will not be able to do it directly from this window. Instead, what you can do is click on the sort button here. Now, this is when you can drag and drop your keywords. So now people are thinking about how many tags do I need? So YouTube, last time I checked, allow up to 120 tags. I think that's quite a lot. But to get started, it's recommended that you add more than 10 tags for your video. And the next question is, does the order of the tags actually matter? So YouTube never provided an definite answer for that, but based on some research, it looks like that it does matter. So what you want to do is to make sure you front load the most relevant and the most specific tags to your video. So TubeBuddy, for example, sure, it's obviously relevant, but it's not specific enough. So I'm going to move it down. And what's more specific for my video is how to get started with TubeBuddy, how to use TubeBuddy, the tutorial, the review. I think you get the idea. So move those to the top, and now they're going to rearrange based on what you just sorted. And you are done. So one thing I want to say about the recommended tags is not to go too crazy, because recommendations certainly helps, but it's up to you as a creator to choose something that's truly relevant, that's truly expressing what you're trying to teach and helping other people learn. So I hope you find this helpful. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.